Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you a tip that I have been going by for pretty much 4 years, I believe now, and it has helped me so much. And I did it the other day and I realized, why have I not shared this with the world yet? Because the world needs to know this trick, and that is how to get rid of the hiccups. Every time. And I have to admit, every single time I'm around someone who gets the hiccups, I immediately show them how to do this, and they are like, what are you thinking? Like, this is not gonna work. There's no way this is gonna work for me. I've tried everything. This is, you know, they tell me like their way. I'm like, okay, that's great that that works for you, but it doesn't work every time because obviously it didn't work if you still have the hiccups. So I show them this way and they're like, no way, it's not gonna work. And they always act like it's not gonna work for them, but it always does. So they try it and they're like, that is so weird, they're actually gone. I'm like, I know, right? I don't even try other ways because they don't work for me every single time. Like sometimes if I don't have a certain item with me that you need, I will try other ways, like holding my breath for a few seconds, then like slowly letting the air go and then breathing in again, because that works for some people like my mom, but it just doesn't work for me every single time. So I just like the other way because it's 100% effective for me. I wish I could show you guys like when I've had hiccups on camera, but I didn't want to wait until I had hiccups because usually I'm not like in my house when I have the hiccups and then I'm like ready to go film anyway. So I just thought I would share with you guys anyway, but I'm really sorry I don't have the hiccups, so I can't really show you on camera. But all you're gonna need is some water. It doesn't have to be a water bottle, it can just be like a glass of water. And I haven't tried this with any other beverage. If you're at a restaurant or something and you have a pop and you get the hiccups, you can try it, but let me know if it works, because I don't know if it'd work. But all you're gonna need is some water, and I will open this. So this is gonna sound super weird, but all you have to do is start drinking your water and hold down your right earlobe. Just like hold it down so that it's visibly lower. I'm sure that the left earlobe works as well, but I'm right-handed, so I just immediately go for my right earlobe and it works every single time. So I don't want to steer you guys otherwise, but if you're like left-handed or you just want to try your right or left earlobe, go right for it. But right earlobe works every single time, and it's super weird. So keep drinking and hold down your earlobe. And I at least do it for about 5 seconds. I'm sure you could do less than that, but I just do like 5 seconds, and I'm just like holding down my earlobe while drinking the water, and my hiccups are completely gone. It's so weird, and I don't know what it is, but holding down your earlobe making your hiccups go away, but it totally works. And I know it's probably like in your head, and you could probably just be like, no, it's probably the same, just drinking water, but I've tried just drinking water, and it doesn't get rid of my hiccups. Like, it gets rid of my hiccups while I'm drinking the water, but after it, then it'll just start coming back. But for some reason, holding down your earlobe, especially your right earlobe, gets rid of your hiccups, and it's so weird, but it works every time for me. The next time you get the hiccups, try this method and let me know in the comments below if it has worked for you, because I swear to you, every single person that I've shown this trick to, it works. So yeah, let me know, because I hope that it works for you, because it's very effective. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tip, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!